Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 13.3 question number 4. Express the number appearing in the following statements in standard form. You have to write in standard form. Number 1. Number F. F is, you see here, F is the universe is estimated to be about 1 to 000000000 years old, right? Then years of universe, years of universe, years of universe, years of universe is equal to years of universe is equal to 1 to 000000000 years. Then it can be written as 12 into 1. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years. Or it can be written as 1.2 into 10 into 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years. Here you see, if we multiply 1 with 10, we'll get 12, right? Therefore, it can be written as 1.2 into 10 to the power 10 years. This is the standard form, that is years of universe, right? Now question number G. G is distance of the sun from the center of the Milky Way galaxy is estimated to be 3,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 meter, right? So we can write that the distance of the sun from the center of the Milky Way galaxy, distance of the sun, distance of the sun, distance of the sun from the center, from the center of the Milky Way galaxy, of the Milky Way galaxy, of the Milky Way galaxy is equal to 3. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, right? And that can be written as 3 into 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The unit is meter, it is also in meter. Therefore, it can be written as 3 into 10 to the power 20 meter, That is the standard form, right? We'll solve question number H. Here you see question number H is given as molecules are contained in a drop of water weighing 1.8 gram, right? Next, we write question number H. Question number H can be written as number of molecules, number of molecules, number of molecules, number of molecules, number of molecules in a drop of water, in a drop, in a drop of water, in a drop of water, number of molecules in a drop of water weighing 1.5 gram, weighing 1.8 gram, 1.8 gram is equal to 60230. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, and the unit is this much molecules, number of molecules, right? Therefore it can be written as 6023 6023 into 1. How many zeros are there? 3 3 6 9 10 11 12 13 15 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 molecules. Now it can be written as 6.023 into 1000. If you multiply this number with 1000, you will get again, because the point will shifted 3 digits towards right, that is 0.6.023 into 1000 into 1. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 molecules. That we are getting 6.023 6.023 6.023 into 10 to the power 16 0 and 3 0, 17 18 and 19, right? How many zeros are there? Again you count. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19, 19, total 19, 19, 19 years total. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Again count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19, total 19. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16, 16 and 3 0, 16 17 17 18 19, right? 19, 19. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 plus 3, 20, 21, 22, 22. And that is 22 molecules. Molecules. Right? Now we'll find question number I. That is 6.023 into 10 to the power 22 molecules. Right? Now question number I. Question number I, we'll see here that question number I is the question number I. The Earth has 135,000 cubic kilometer of seawater. Number I. The Earth has the Earth has 1, 3, 5, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 cubic kilometer of seawater, right? That can be written as 1353 into 1. How many zeros? 3, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubic kilometer. Or it can be written as 1.1.353 into 1000 into 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubic kilometer. Therefore, it can be written as 1.353 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 1.353 into 10 to the power 9 kilometer. This is the standard form, right? Now solve question number J. Here you see question number J is, now question number J you see here is J. The population of India was about, the population of India was, the population of India was about 1027. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in March 2001. Right? Therefore, it can be written as 1027 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. If we put the commas, 3, 0, then 3, then 3. Right? Now, if we write it here as 1027 into 160, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Now you can write this as 1.027 into 1000. If you multiply this one, you will get 1027 into 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means it can be written as 1.027 into 10 to the power 6 plus 3, 9. It is 1.027 into 10 to the power 9. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.